Welcome to Kaumudy Global. According to Indian authorities, the timing of the incident suggests that the bits of suspected space debris that landed into rural western India on May 12th could be remnants of a Chinese rocket that re-entered the atmosphere that day. According to local media, the object collided in Gujarat with loud thuds that rocketed the earth. According to the Indian Express, there were no casualties or property damage. The crashing objects were located within a 15-kilometer radius, including a black metal ball weighing roughly 5 kilograms, according to the publication. The objects have not been positively identified by either local officials or the Indian Space Research Organization. What is space debris? Space debris can include natural space debris such as meteoroids or man-made ones, which can include defunct spacecrafts and satellites, stages of rockets which have launched payloads, dead satellites, satellite explosions and collisions. According to NASA, more than 25,000 objects larger than 10 cm are known to exist as space debris, and the estimated population of particles between 1 and 10 cm in diameter is approximately 5 lakh. According to NASA's estimates as of January 2022, the amount of material orbiting the Earth exceeded 9,000 metric tons. However, space observer Jonathan McDowell of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics believes the debris is most likely from the third stage of the Chinese Long March 3B rocket, which re-entered the atmosphere on May 12th. In September, a rocket carrying China's ZX-9B communication satellite launched. We know that CZ-3B Y86 re-emerged that morning. Dowell told Space News via email May 16, referring to the Chinese rocket's space track catalog name. We don't know for sure whether, but its project track does cross Gujarat at about the right time, so it's a good candidate, and there were no other large objects that re-entered the morning. Therefore, I conclude that the identification of this debris with CZ-3B Y86 is very strong. Final orbital parameters of CZ-3C Y86 are somewhat unclear due to its very elliptical orbit with a very low 100 km or so pedigree that changed fast due to drag. However, it looks to be a fair match for the re-entry over Gujarat at 11:15 UTC on May 12th, from which debris was discovered on the ground. If the suspected debris is verified to be Chinese rocket pieces, it will be the second time in less than 2 months that Chinese launch debris has crashed. On April 2nd, India witnessed the fall of multiple objects, including a massive metal ring, into another rural western town. ISRO scientists investigating the location on April 15th tentatively identified the objects as part of a Chinese Long March rocket. McDowell speculated that the crash items could be elements of the third stage of Long March 3B serial number Y77, which was launched in February 2021 based on pictures and recordings of the wreckage. China has been deafeningly silent on the re-entry incident. On top of this, there were several other cases in recent years in which a Chinese rocket made a troubling re-entry. In May 2021, remnants from the roughly 30-meter long, 5-meter wide core stage of China's Long March 5B fell into the Indian Ocean after days of speculation and China's silence about whether the debris would land. NASA criticized China for failing to meet responsible standards regarding the space debris. 1 year earlier, debris from another Long March 5B fell onto at least 2 villages in the Ivory Coast following an uncontrolled re-entry of the rocket's core stage. In November 2019, a spent stage of Long March 3B fell near the Xizang Satellite Launch Center in China, destroying a house. I'm Neha signing out. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.